Hello, Ashley Aylor here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the cheetah hack with the 3D mascara foundation. And I'm going to be working from my triple decker. And so it's amazing because there's so much room in it for all of your colors, highlights, contours, eyeshadows, illuminators. And I love this approach because it's super simple and I'm going to be very upfront with you. I never highlighted or contoured prior to this makeup. I like simple, I like fast, I like easy and good quality, and these are all of that in a nutshell. So you may be thinking or you may be intimidated, like, can I even do that? Yes, you can, especially with this approach. That's what I love about this makeup. It is so versatile and it leaves room for error. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my contour right here and I'm gonna go in all the places where you would normally put your contour. So that would be like, and I'm gonna do it in like a cheetah application. So I would go all up on my forehead, and then also you're gonna find right here, and you're gonna stop about where the middle of the iris is. And because my face is a little bit more, I don't know, smaller, I wanna bring this contour up a little bit, right? Because you ultimately want to bring your face up and not make it droop down. And because of the shape of my face, because it is not a longer face or bigger face, that helps lift my face right there. So I'm gonna do all my contour kind of an upward motion, okay? Oops, that's okay that I got some there. It's not a big deal at all. Then I'm going to take it with my finger and just kind of chisel out my jawline. All right, and then you can also do it on your nose. Closer together the lines are, the more narrow your nose is going to appear. And if you want a personalized color match, I'm linking below where you can get that from me, and I'll tell you exactly what your colors are and help you with the application process. Whatever you need help with, that is what I'm here for. You got to think, I started as a beginner at one time. We all had to start somewhere, and this makeup honestly is so easy that you or anyone can do it. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take my main highlight color, which is Candlelit for me, and I'm going to go in all the places where I would normally have that normal highlight color, okay? And this is your full foundation. This is full coverage for you. So, you know, a lot of people will ask me, like, is this, well, what do I do? What do I use for foundation? This is your foundation. It's 3D foundation. And I'm trying to stay away from my brows because I just got them microbladed again. I'm really not even supposed to have makeup around the area, but it's been 8 days now, so I'm a little bit safer. Now I'm gonna pick up my lighter highlight color, which essentially is like your concealer. So you're going to go underneath your eyes with it, the bridge of your nose, right up here, kind of like a little bit of a triangular shape because you want to brighten those areas. Same with down here, I like to do it. Okay, now I'm going to take my regular highlight, go here, and now the cool thing about this makeup is it's actually multi-purpose. So I'm going to apply the same thing that I apply on my lips. I'm going to apply on my cheek area, and you can mix match. You can have multiple lip and cheeks, but it's really cool because it is so versatile that you can use them for both. And the one that I'm using right now currently is called Hollywood. It's one of my favorite colors, and especially for summer, as summer's coming to a close, I love to wear it and want to take advantage of it. And say I wanted to tone this pink down, I could easily add another color to it to maybe tone it down or add a different color to it, if you will. So that is that. Easy as that. Now I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to use the Buffy brush. This is our bronze and blush brush, okay? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin dabbing because you really want to deposit that color, but because I do have a little bit of, because I'm doing the cheetah look, it is okay to kind of swirl it a little bit. You want to make sure you're working it into the roots, the hairline, because obviously you don't want to look funny. All right, I'm gonna be super careful around my brows. I may honestly not even completely blend right there just because I don't want to ruin my brows that I paid to have done, right? Then I'm going to, now you don't want to smudge and smear because you don't want to get rid of that dimension where you've tried to highlight, right? And contour. Usually I'll do my lips last because I like to just be able to have freedom in that area. But I wanted to show you how you can do lip and cheek. Okay, down here, you've got to remember I did contour and chisel out my jawline. I want to make sure that's blended really well. Okay, now I have my lashes on, so that presents another little bit of a challenge. Okay, and I love this makeup because I'm super active and it stays on so well and it's not heavy at all. Okay, I got interrupted by my son. So I want to blend that blush in, kind of alongside of that contour, go like this, and then kind of rub it up, because once again, I'm wanting that lift effect. Then I'm going to blend everywhere else. See, adds that shadow as it's supposed to. And then once again, back and forth, kind of swirl that blush in. And then I'm going to go like this. And once again, get that lifted in there. And I think it's just the shadowing, or it might be a little heavier over here, but you can easily add more product if needed to even it out, which it looks like I should or could, but I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I am going to grab my other brush, this one right here. And if you have questions about the brushes I'm using or want to look into the different brush options, reach out to me, let me know. And I'm going to go in with one of my favorite illuminators, which is actually called Photoshop, and it is gorgeous. It's this one right here. So pretty. And I'm just going to take the bigger end, go right here. Look at that. Oh, snap. So pretty, especially over this Hollywood color. Oh my God. You can also get the smaller end, go down the bridge of your nose. Normally speaking, I would go right here above my eyebrows and right there. But because my brows are healing, I'm not going to do that. And just like that, in just a few minutes, 5-10 minutes tops, you can have a full highlight and contour face. This makeup is so flawless. And if you want a color match, click the link below. Let me know. I would be more than happy to chat with you about getting you your personalized color match. And it's this simple. Bye.